thank you. Good to see you, Brett. How you doing?
He's here, he made it! I actually have no idea.
I can't boil an egg, let alone cook, so this is going to be funny, man. But who's going to cook? We're all gonna cook. I kind of feel like I'm in school again, you know, when you like do those like school group bonding activities like cooking or art or drama.
Are you guys doing all your recipes in a row?
Okay, go team. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Oh my god. Haha, look at me! Chef Danny. Look at Brett, completely clueless, pretending to actually do something. He doesn't even speak Tagalog, he's just a lost cause. He's just standing around getting in the way. He's doing absolutely nothing. So am I, to be honest.
Yeah, kailangan ba i-marinate?
Sige.
So, could you...
Missing plastic.
I'll peel the potato.
Boil it.
Oh, you boil it, you don't peel it. You don't need to peel it. So just boil the potato? But you don't want to peel it? But this is such a cool kitchen. I like this kitchen. I wish I had one of these in my house. Master chef. Woo! So come into my kitchen. I'm gonna boil one potato. Brett absolutely lost.
My teammate is crazy.
Look what they give me.
She's taking charge.
Okay, what else do you guys need me to do? I'm getting better at this cooking stuff. So, thank you, Paul. Thank you, Paul. Thank you. I need a fork, mashed potato. Yeah, I'm really good at mashed potatoes because I'm Irish. Where's the fork? Okay. You get a spoon and a fork and a knife, a small knife, walang knife. It's gonna take a long time to boil, like I want to do other things. Yeah, exactly. I said I'm looking for a knife though, I can't find a knife. Oh, I hate knives. Knives are horrible. Man, cooking's stressful. Now I know how like the people in that Gordon Ramsay show, Hell's Kitchen, feel. I'm just trying to cook a potato and I'm sweating. Communication is important because this is exactly what I said earlier. I wanted to cut it into cubes, but everyone is frantic, and that's why in a team situation, communication is the most important necessity. So yeah, I'll cut it into cubes. What's this for? The team's left me on my own.
You know, everyone's stressing out. I'm just like, I'm chilling, man.
Guys.
Everyone's like, I'm like,
hey, man. Go team. Hey.
Hi, we're making potato rolls out of water, guys.
I'm making mashed potato. Patatas. Oh my god, these potatoes are gonna take forever.
Excuse me po.
Sorry po. Wait, do we have to cook like one meal for like an hour? Or is it like one meal for the entire time? No answers? Nobody? I keep asking if they want to, if I can help, but then after the potato incident, they don't really want me to join in. They ousted me. Brett's just in the way, I swear. He's just in the way. He's just like a tree in the middle of the kitchen. Oh, sorry, Papa.
Maluluto ba tayo?
Oh, gluto na. Let's take a selfie so we can put it on Instagram so everyone thinks we actually can cook, even though we can't.
Alright, so we're in the Google kitchen
apparently
right now. It's
women
pretty
love
stressful.
that.
Look how many people are in here.
Women love a man that can cook.
Potato, how's it going? How's the cooking your potato going?
I'm cooking a potato.
You actually were cooking a potato?
I'm just gonna pretend I'm busy so then no one judges me. I don't know how chefs have these long hats because like it's kind of short, so every time you go like bumps into stuff and it's just really annoying. The hat's just like, and then the hat could catch on fire and stuff. Thank you. Gutom na ako eh. Nakagutom ako. Double.
Are you done?
Yeah, cooking pepper.
Yeah.
What is the zest?
And salt there na.
Oh. I'm actually really good at this apparently.
She said,
Top chef.
yeah, she's gonna be the one. Siya na daw bahala, that's what she said.
Everyone's just stressing their balls. It's just...
I started a joke which started the whole world crying, but I didn't see.
Brett, no, Brett, no.
What do you mean no? Get out of here, potato! potato.
Up. Up, up, up.
A little.
Yes.
Gumaya.
Gamay.
Maya, gamay ba sa'yo?
Gamay, oo.
Saya ka? Asa ka kikan sa sa'yo?
Taga Jensen.
Diyan sa General Santos City ba?
Manny Pacquiao.
Looks at me when he says it like he knows what I know what he's saying.
Yeah.
Ganda sa kanila.
Channel tayo.
Ha?
Kasi mong channel.
Kisha Uy.
Krisha, oy, okay, sige. Subscribe. This is so tasty, man. Oh my god, it's so good.
Hindi lang kita nakita.
The mashed potato is the best, diba? Okay, I'm gonna go over here before I get sad. So now we're gonna see who wins. I don't really have much faith in my team, to be honest.
And Daniel's team, Team Sharap. Alright. Team Brolos and Brolos garnered 51.11 points, placing 4th. We had to last you because of some ingredients that we took that wasn't supposed to be in the recipe. But you got 51.1.
Third, second,
51.1
first.
points. Team Daniel Sharap comes in 3rd.
Okay, at least we didn't lose. Good job. Ooh. We're not last.
We have to give up 2 points from your team. Bon appetitos and titas. 4 points. So the winner is.
At least we didn't go last. That's so funny. Okay, so we just finished our Google event. It was an amazing event. It was great to always work with the Google team. They're fantastic people. And I got to learn that I still can't cook for shit. I'm terrible at cooking. I'm terrible at cooking food. But yes, now we're trying to get out of this traffic and walk into a place that's a little bit easier because we're heading to BGC for a surprise.
It's breezy actually.
Yeah. You're gonna see him. That's why you have your shirt.
Brent, tsaka ano, hindi niya.